Good morning, everybody. April 23rd, early in the morning, about 5, a little after 5. I woke up to a sale. Um, it's an old fan that I got from the auction. It's from I had maybe I would say about 2 months. This fan was like a vintage fan. When I picked it up, well, initially bidded for it, and I ended up winning it. I didn't see that it didn't have a plug to it, so I ended up buying a plug for it, and I went to Home Depot, got a little small plug for it. Then I hooked it up to see if it works. Plugged it up. I was turning the unit on a couple times to see if it works, and it no, eventually it's like just popped. So once that happened, I was like, this it's not coming over, and I pretty much wasted my money. So I didn't never think it was on sale, even though I sold it anyways. I mean, yeah, I sold it anyways. Ended up listing it on OfferUp and eBay. eBay, I think I had it for $1, just pay for shipping. And OfferUp is I had it for $15, which I figured what nobody would buy that for, because I ended up listing it saying no, it's sold as is, no work. But I guess this particular buyer bought it and either could fix it or they could use it as some parts. So I wasn't expecting the $15 to be bought. I thought somebody would have even talked me down, but this person just bought it. So I woke up to that. So I'm gonna print that label out and get that shipped off. So that's so $15. I forgot what I paid for it. I want to say I paid $10.76 for it. So if that's true, I think that is true. But if it is, I had to look. I pretty much made him a profit back, even though it took a while, even though I didn't think it would sell anyways. But I'm glad I had it listed and somebody took it. So I'm going to ship that off. Man, that's it for right now. So anything transpired for the rest of the day, I'll let y'all know. But until then, I'm going to see you guys in a minute. What's up, guys? It's Q, April 26th. I got a few sales to not today. I got one yesterday. I think two today. Well, these will be going out tomorrow morning. Today is Sunday, so all the offers is, all the purchases for us from OfferUp, and it's 3 of them. So let's get on to it. The first thing that's going out is a Roger Staubach. I can't pronounce his last name. Dallas Cowboys. It's like a wooden photo statue. I picked this up at the online auction. It came with a box of like sport collective stuff. So I listed it up by itself for $10. It sold. Somebody bought it. I'm kind of surprised too at the same time, but I guess they really wanted it. But I know I seen like little, I don't know if you can see, but little creases that's in the picture of it. And then whoever had it had like some writing on it. I don't doubt if you can see it, but it's like pen writing on it. But I described it as that, and they still took it, so I guess they don't really care. So out of the box of like sports stuff that came together, I paid together all the stuff was $9.56. So with this selling for $10, I pretty much made my money back, and the rest of the stuff that I got would be straight profit. So I would be packing this up, put a little bit of bubble wrap around it, put it in a padded envelope, send this off for tomorrow. The next thing up here is an 8-color changing toilet nightlight. I got 3 of these. They're going to be sent out, all 3 of them. I had these with if you've seen in previous videos, I had this stuff over a year. So I paid for 3 of these. I think I paid $9 and some change maybe for them, for all 3. And I pretty much just got rid of them. I didn't even make a profit off of them. So it doesn't even matter at this point. I had this over a little bit over a year, and I just wanted them gone. So whoever bought these, no, they got them, and these was $10. So with the OfferUp service fee, which is $1.99, that leaves me with $8.01. So I lost some money on it, but it's not major, which is still pretty good. No, actually, no, I take that back. I had it up for $10. The buyer offered $7, and I accepted it. I thought about it. I was like, shit. I was like, man, I had this thing for it over a little over a year now, so go ahead, take it. The money's gone. So just to get rid of them, went and accepted the offer, and that's it, pretty much. I mean, it's pretty cool. You put this side on, on top of the on the skirt side of the toilet. Whenever someone walk past, the color to pop on in there. Well, you could set it to if they wanted to change, or you wanted to stick with a solid color. But they're pretty cool. So the buyer got them for a decent price, and I lost out, which doesn't matter to me. So hopefully they take care of, or they could be reselling them. Maybe, I don't know. But I got them out of my hairs. So that will be me. Well, I'm going to ship them off in a padded envelope, and that would be it for that. And next up is a lot of 6 Hot Wheel cars. This I got with the online auction. It was 2 boxes of cars, and I happened to see these actually at the bottom of the box being hidden on top of the other cars. So I ended up finding 6 of them that was in the box. It listed them, and actually listed them yesterday, and somebody bought them today. Bought them for $15 on OfferUp. So nice little profit here. And the rest of the other box, that stuff that I got that came with it, I paid all together, I think, I don't know which one is which, but I believe $10.76. So once again, made my profit. Made my money back plus profit. And the rest of the stuff that I have is gonna be pure profit. So slide these onto a poly bag and ship those off. So, and with that being sold for $15, if you've seen the previous video when I was talking about the service fee that they do, which is 12.9% versus $1.99, the minimum they would charge. I see that this sold for $15 and they still charge me the $1.99. So that means $16 and up, they do the 12.9%, and $15 and down, they automatically charge you not $1.99, which is kind of messed up, but I guess that's how it goes. So even with this sale being $15, it's still, I calculated, and it's still pretty much eBay fees. So I didn't really, it's pretty much the same to me, in my opinion. So if they charging from pretty much $15 and under, $1.99 automatically, $16 and up, they's charging the 12.9%. So and all in all, to me, you still paying the same amount you'd be paying the fees with eBay and PayPal together. So that's an update on that part. Because before I didn't know if it was between 13 and 15, because I haven't sold none yet in between that range until now. So now I know that 16 and up, you can charge 12.9%. 15 and under, you're being charged $1.99 regardless. So with all that said, that's all the sales that I have for today. That's going out tomorrow morning. If I have anything else that goes on, I'll let y'all know. But till then, stay steward for life, learn from your mistakes, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Well, I guess that wasn't it. I got another sale. This time it's on eBay. It's for fast 111s, one of a kind, one of the die-cast toys that came with the boxes of cars I have. Sold on its own for $19.99, free shipping. So ship that off. So at this point now, I'm all in profit with these cars. So just selling them off bit by bit now at this point. But that is it for today. I'm out.